Meaning of faff.
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 faff,
Faff. The term faff means to waste time aimlessly, often by acting indecisively or engaging in unproductive tasks. This can include activities such as procrastinating, overthinking, and being disorganized. People who engage in faffing may find themselves feeling frustrated and unproductive, as they struggle to accomplish meaningful goals. The result of faffing can be a sense of time wasted and a lack of progress towards important objectives, which can ultimately lead to feelings of stress and dissatisfaction. Therefore, it's important to minimize faffing behaviors and focus on prioritizing tasks that will lead to greater success and fulfillment.